Welcome to the Lesson 3 preview exercises for college algebra. So we use the coordinate plane to help us visualize a relationship between two variables, which we often call x and y. Here is a graph of y equals 4 minus x squared. So what name do we usually associate with the shape of this graph? That would be a parabola. And what is the greatest or maximum value of y? So the very highest y value on this graph occurs right here. The coordinates of this point are 0, 4. So the maximum value would be y equals 4, the y coordinate. What values of x are solutions to the equation y equals 0? Well, the line y equals 0 is the x-axis. So we are looking for places where the graph crosses the x-axis and it looks like x equals positive and negative 2. And then determine whether the following statement is true or false. If it is false, change the statement and make it true. The points xy and the opposite of xy both lie on the graph of 4 minus x squared. That is true because this graph is symmetric about the y-axis. So for any point I pick on it, right, we have -3, -5, and 3, -5. So for any point, x, y, the opposite of x, y is also on the graph. Right, this little table was to help us see that. So you take -3, plug it into 4 minus x squared, you get -5. So the y value is -5 and the point is -3, -5. And then if you plug 3 in, 4 minus x squared is -5, which means the y coordinate is -5, which means the point is positive 3, -5.